many advantages of SmartHub is that you can conveniently make payments from your computer. No postal service for you. This video shows you how to add, edit, and delete payment account information in SmartHub Web that you can use to quickly pay your bill when it's due. Rest assured, your information is securely stored in accordance with credit card industry data security standards. From the SmartHub homepage, click My Profile. Then, check the left menu to see you're on the My Information page. That's it. Now, click Update My Bank Account or Credit Card Information. And you're ready to go. First up, what type of payment method are you storing? Card or bank account? In this case, a bank account. Click Add New. Start by verifying your security phrase is correct. If not, don't enter any information and contact customer service as quickly as possible. Certain your information is secure, fill out all the required fields marked with an asterisk. When satisfied with your entries, click Add Account. This confirmation text tells you your bank account is securely stored. Click Close, and you're good to go. If you need to change some details associated with a payment method, such as adding a description or changing a phone number, select the Update option. Then click Go. The payment method details display here, with mostly editable fields. Some fields, like bank account routing and account numbers, or card numbers, cannot be edited. If you wish to change information in fields that can't be edited, you'll need to delete the payment method and add a new one using the updated information. But if you only need to change the information in the modifiable fields, go for it. Make your changes, complete any remaining required fields, and then click the Update Account button. Success! Your changes are saved. Click the Close button to return to the previous page. Deleting an existing payment method is even easier. Select the associated Delete option. Click Go. Once again, check the security phrase. All good there. Click Delete Card. Success! That payment method is gone. Managing payment methods is easy in SmartHub. Here's a recap. To manage your payment methods, access the My Stored Accounts page. Here, you can add a new payment method, edit some of the payment details, or delete a method you no longer want to store with your account. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to manage payment methods using SmartHub Web. If you'd like more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub Web's many capabilities, consult the built-in help or contact your SmartHub provider.